Your asthma team may have asked you to measure your peak flow, either to help diagnose your asthma or to monitor it. First, make sure the little arrow is set to 0 at the bottom of the meter near the mouthpiece. Either choose to stand or sit upright each time you do the test, but do the same each time. Hold the peak flow in both hands, but make sure your fingers are not over the middle. Take a big deep breath in with the peak flow meter out of your mouth. When you have taken that breath in, place the peak flow meter in your mouth, making a tight seal around the end with your lips. Breathe out as hard as you can. It's as if you are blowing out a candle that is far away through the meter. Make a note of the number that is next to the arrow on the meter. Repeat this 3 times and record the best of the 3. This is your peak flow score. Take your peak flow readings before any asthma medication. If you are using the peak flow meter for an asthma diagnosis, your asthma team may ask you to record the peak flow score in the morning and at night for a period of time to see if it varies. If you have been given a personalized peak flow action plan, then take your peak flow readings as directed and follow the actions in your plan. If you are not sure, ask your asthma team. They are there to help.